Hey, so if you use Booking.com for travel, yeah, you're probably missing out on free discounts and perks called Genius Rewards. In this guide, I'll show you how to use Booking.com Genius Rewards step by step in 2026. First, sign up for a free Booking.com account because Genius Rewards only work when you're logged in. Now search for hotels like normal using your destination and travel dates. When you see the Genius badge, that hotel offers special discounts or perks. Genius has different levels, and the more you book, the better discounts you unlock. Genius discounts can include lower prices, free breakfast, or room upgrades depending on the hotel. Always compare Genius price with regular price to see how much you're saving. Click the Genius deal and complete your booking normally. The more you book, the more rewards and better perks you unlock over time. And yeah, that's it. That's how you use Booking.com Genius Rewards to save money and get better travel perks.